Good day, Philippines, and welcome. You are watching Modesty Broadcasting Network. This is Mariel A. Morados, bringing you the latest and the most important news from across the Philippines. For the headline, Apulo Kibuloy in government custody after long hunt. Authorities announced on Sunday that they finally have in their custody Apulo Kibuloy. Authorities announced on Sunday that they finally have in their custody Apollo Kibuloy, the fugitive televangelist and Kingdom of Jesus Christ founder, who is wanted for multiple criminal charges, including child abuse and human trafficking. Davao Regional Police Chief General Nicol Davao Regional Police Chief General Nicolas Torre III, who led the search, providing a detailed account of the circumstances that led to Kibuloy being taken into custody, saying only that Abulos had the information